there are some thoughts, let's say some opinions, that Slovenian motorcycles are better. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another bike discussion video. We are still in March, but the weather is improving and I hope that we are gonna be riding soon. Today's topic is related to buying a motorcycle, a second-hand one. There are a lot of obstacles, a lot of potential issues when you are buying a second-hand motorcycle, and it could be really painful for one doing it for the first time. So you can have a lot of problems, you can have a lot of obstacles and uncertainties and so on. And in this case you should think twice, you should consider different options, when you are thinking about buying a second-hand motorcycle. And the main question is, here in Slovenia at least, I mean a debate it's going on about getting a motorcycle, a second-hand one, that it's a Slovenian one, so it means that it was bought in Slovenia, or to get an imported motorcycle from abroad. So this could be from Italy or Germany or Austria or even Hungary or even Poland, wherever from Europe. It really doesn't matter, but there are some thoughts, let's say some opinions, that Slovenian motorcycles are better, that they are very well maintained, that they look better and also run better. But is it really true? Is this the fact? I mean, are they really better? Are they really in better conditions? Do they run really better, smoother in a way? Here I would say that I am not sure, because from my point of view, I bought some motorcycles even second-hand, and I have to be honest, those that I bought second-hand and were from Italy, in fact, weren't really bad. I mean, not really bad. In my opinion, this thing is a lot more complicated than we think. Or the problem is in the owner, or let's say owners, and not really in those, buying it, so in buyers. So if a motorcycle is important from abroad, it is not yet bad, it is not, we cannot say that. We have to look from a motorcycle to a motorcycle. There are bad examples, there are very good examples, but in my opinion, I had some bikes also from Italy, I bought them second-hand, and nothing really happened. They weren't perfect, but they were just okay, I would say, for the money. So there comes the fact that as much as you pay, that much you should get. And in any case, even though you can buy a second-hand motorcycle, imported, an important one, it could be really bad, but it could be also very, very good. And in my opinion, you should look carefully to every single part of a motorcycle that you are considering. So the front, the rear, suspension, engine, rust, then you should go and try it. I mean, then you should go and ride it. If there is somehow a feeling that the seller it's not gonna let you ride it, it is already done, I mean, in that case I wouldn't buy it anyway. So in my opinion, in this regard, so are the imported motorcycles, let's say, not that good. I mean, are Slovenian motorcycles better than the imported ones? I wouldn't say so, because the main reason, I mean, the main thing is about the owner. If there were many owners, and if all those owners were just not looking good, not maintaining the motorcycle very well, and if the motorcycle was outside, it was on the rain, not cleaned and so on, not washed, then this can be the case also with Slovenian bikes, Slovenian motorcycles in general. So this is defect of the owner. So if there is a very good owner that takes care of its own motorcycle, then it is very, very good, and you can get it as good as it is. But if there is a bad owner not taking care of the motorcycle and just riding it, not washing it, and overall, if he is or she is not into motorcycles, I would say, then just skip it, avoid it. So in my opinion, there is no rule. So there are no better or bad motorcycles depending from the origin. So Slovenian ones or Italian ones or German ones, but it's all about the owners. If there are good owners, there will be very good motorcycles, very well maintained, very good looking motorcycles. And this is the main case. I mean, this is the main thing. So I know that you have different, or you may have a different opinion, you may have different thoughts, different experience, but from my point of view, I had some bikes also from Italy, and they were okay, not perfect, but okay. In any case, you can get a bad bike, a bad motorcycle also from your neighbor, because it is up to you. You should check your motorcycle, your new motorcycle, just before you're gonna buy it. You should ride it, you should try it, and then when you already pay it, it's done. You have it, and it's up to you from that time on. So guys, I hope that you can share your thoughts about your experience dealing with different motorcycles from different countries that were imported in Slovenia, or in your country if you are from abroad, I mean USA, United Kingdom and so on. So please write down what is your experience, what are your thoughts about the imported motorcycles and those that are national ones, I would say, and we can discuss it. This was all, guys. This is another bike discussion. I hope that you enjoyed, I hope that you had fun, and thanks for watching. See you in the next